Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Dangbei Atom Google TV Mini Laser Projector. So friend, the new Dangbei from Google TV Mini Laser Projector is barely the size of a paperback book and weighs as much as laptop but lets you enjoy rich content on a screen as large as 180 inch anywhere you want. And friend, it is only 1.87 inches and weighing just 1.28 kg. And friend, the projector uses an ALPD laser technology and a brilliant 1200 ANSI lumens of brightness, and the projector offers full HD resolution along with support for HDR10, and its various smart optics features include autofocus, keystone correction, screen feed, and obstacle avoidance, and it packs Google TV, which puts practically every streaming content service in your hand. Priced regularly at 899 USD dollar. And friend, it can be yours for 699 as the part of special promotion. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.